Hello and welcome to Learn Until Earn. So today's video is dedicated to my dearest household friends, those who wish to earn for self-respect but often end up feeling pressured, little in hand, even after putting a lot of efforts. Friends, you are quite engines of our homes. You rise before sun, work tirelessly throughout the day, and still carry the emotional weight of expectations that often go unseen. But today I want to remind you, your desire to earn is not just valid, it's powerful. And now more than ever, there are countless ways to earn from home, using your time, skills, and creativity. So now you must be wondering, how can I start when I don't know anything yet? That's where learning comes in. There are so many platforms out there. All you need is the willpower to start, whether you learn with a community or on your own. I'll be sharing free and easy resources, my learning process, real-time experiments, and success mantras on this channel. No fluff, no false promises, just honest guidance. See, there are a number of YouTubers that claims that with this much of skills, you can earn this or that till your subscribers and viewers. Not everything is fluff. That's why I'm experimenting the ideas to see how true it is. And slowly, I'm gaining little confidence to achieve my goal. And here's why I want you to join me in this journey. Because after analyzing few things, I realized people need support. They need the truth. That's why I decided not to grow alone, but to grow with a community. I don't want to rise while others are left behind. Honestly, I'd rather be the one left behind while watching my community grow around me. My agenda is not just earning temporary money that stays with this body, but to earn a fortune that stays with all of my birds. So, I want to request you, don't waste time worrying about earning. Instead, focus on learning. Once you gain knowledge, you will be able to decide better what's right for you and what steps to take. So I want to request you, don't waste time worrying about earning. Focus on learning. Once you gain knowledge, you will be able to decide what's right for you. Remember that line? Kabil bano, success to jhak maar piche aayegi. And the self-respect and happiness, these are your own properties. No one can take them from you. You just need to discover the right way to earn them. And that way always begins with small achievements. And even if knowledge doesn't bring you personal gain, it's never wasted. You can use it to guide your children, helping them grow and succeed beyond you. They learn faster, adapt quicker, and create opportunities with ease, all without the pressure we often carry. With the right guidance, our children can achieve things in their teenage that we may have struggled with for decades. They'll earn not just for themselves, but for you, with pride and joy. Trust me, kids have way more potential than us of learning and earning. You must have heard those stories of children who have started earning from their teenage, all because of the right guidance from their parents. So why your children is different? So guys, if not learning for yourself, at least learn for your children. This era is changing, time is running fast, and we can't just stay stuck. So let's hold hands, break the walls, and prove our worth. Don't wait to make them proud later. Start by being confident, cheerful, and consistent today. This is our time. Let's rise, let's shine, and let's grow together.